Okay, I hope so. I am live. Okay, right. Yes, we are live. So I'll just wait for a moment so that further learners join us. Okay. Yes. So today we'll be moving forward with the second part of your quantitative aptitude question. So today I'll be taking the ESE 2019 question paper, 2020 question paper, right? ESE 2020 question paper, which just got happened the last year, right? Yes. So we will be solving questions of that question paper. Okay, so 10 questions are there, 10 easy questions, right? You guys can solve it in various methods. So we will be solving those 10 questions in today's class. We'll be solving those 10 questions in today's class. Okay, so yes, let's start our session. Okay, so before we start our session, a small promotion of the products of Unacademy. So you guys know that there is the Master Blaster Practice Series, which the series is a free special class series, which consists of more than 10,000 practice questions for your GATE exams. It is curated by top educators at Unacademy. Please do use my code SAYT to join any special class for free. So the same happens with the GATE and ESE Utkarsh series, right? Which is a part of the Unacademy channel Accord. YouTube sessions on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Knowledge Fight will be there on Monday and tests on Tuesday, right? So please do watch these series also. Then finally, the largest your scholarship combat, which is going to happen on the June 13th. At 13th of June, this Sunday, every Sunday this combat will happen. It starts at 11 a.m. So please do use my code SAYT to join this special scholarship combat, right? So these are the prizes you guys will be getting after you win the combat. If you get up till 1 to 100 ranks, these are the new batches added for you people. And this is finally about the plus subscription. So you guys can see, okay, this is finally about the plus subscription. So these are the eminent perks you people will be getting by opting for the plus subscription. If you go for the iconic, along with these perks, you guys will be getting something called as a personal coach, a study planner, dedicated doubt clearing instructors, as well as preparatory study material. So if you guys have made up your mind, you can go for both plus as well as iconic, right? Just use my code SAYT. You guys will be getting 10% off, and you can clearly go for any one you want, right? So instead of paying this amount, and you guys will be paying this amount by opting for the plus plan, and instead of paying this amount, you guys will be paying this amount by opting for the iconic plan, okay. Yes, so let us go with today's, right? So yes, the special classes of mine on Unacademy, right? It happens every day 8 to 8:30 to 9 to 9:30, right? I'll be taking two different special classes of half an hour each. Yes, two different special classes of half an hour each, where I'll be teaching placement aptitude, right? So it will be alternate days. So one day I'll be taking quants, the next day reasoning, and the next day will be verbal. That is our English language. And every Sunday, sorry, it's not 5:30 p.m. Every Sunday at 5 p.m. Not 5:30. Every Sunday at 5 p.m. I'll be taking the GATE PYQs. Okay, yes. So let's move on to the first question of the class. 10 years ago, the father was 12 times as old as his son, and after 10 years, father will be 2 times older than his son. The present ages of father and son respectively are dash. The present ages of father and son respectively are dash. 10 years ago, that is minus 10 years. Okay, and 10 years after, this is plus 10 years, right? So this is in the past and this is in the future. Yes, this is in the past and future, right? So what is the total gap, what is the total difference between them? It is going to be 20 years, yes or no, right? Years mein hum minus nahi karte, minus 10 0, okay? It is going to be 20 years, right? So yes, 20 years will be the gap between them. 20 years will be the gap between them. Now father was 12 times as old as his son. Okay, so let us write as father is to son 12 times as old as his son. So if son was 1, father would be 12. Similarly, after 10 years, father will be 2 times older than his son. After 10 years, so this plus 10, 2 times older than his son. So son is 1 and father is going to be 2. So no, son is 1 and father is going to be 2. So let us see how we can solve this question. So I have taught you guys these methods in my special classes as well as in my plus courses, right? So 2 ones are 12 ones are. So this is going to be 12 minus 2r. This is going to be 12 minus 2r is equal to what? 2 into 20. 20 minus 1 into 20. 10. Okay, sorry. 2 into 20 is 40. 2 into 20, 40 minus 20. So how much I'm getting here? So this is going to be 10 hour is equal to 20. So 1 hour will be equal to how much? 1 hour will be equal to 2. They are asking the present age of father, right? 10 years ago, 10 years after, right? So the present age of the father will be in between, right? The present age of the father will be in between. So let us take this age, okay? So 12 into 2, right? 24 years. Now, right, I have got 24 years here. Now you guys know that present age matlab, right, 10 साल पहले, right? I am minus 10. Yes or no? I am minus 10 before. So for me to come to today, I have to do plus 10. Yes or no? Right? Minus 10 before, 10 years ago, right? Plus 10. So 24 plus 10. 34 years will be the age, right? 34 years. Where can I see? Option B. 34 and 14 years. That's what you can do here, right? 1 into 2, 1 into 2, right? 2 aa jayega. So ye 34 years and 14 years will be the answer. 34 years and 14 years will be the answer, right? Yes. So 34 and 12. Sorry. Not B. It is D, right? It is B, D. Not 14. 14 कैसे आएगा? 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 2 12, right? Yes. 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 10 12. Okay. So this will be 12. 34 and 12 years. Sorry, there. Option D is the right answer. Right? 34 and 12 years. Option D is the right answer. You guys can go for another approach also here. Right? What is that another approach? I will show you people. I should take less space while writing because erasing this will be another headache. Okay, yes, you can go for another approach also. What is that another approach? Your conventional approach. What is that? The ratio here is 12 bar this, rest not 12 times. So 10 years ago, so father minus 10 divided by son minus 10 is going to be what? 12. And again after 10 years, after मतलब plus करेंगे हम, right? Father plus 10 divided by son plus 10 is equal to 2, right? This is your conventional approach. Solve it, you guys will get the father and son ages. Okay, solve it and you guys will get the father and son ages. Okay? Yes. Let's go for the next question. A number of friends decided to go on a picnic and planned to spend rupees 96 on eatables. Four of them, however, did not turn up. As a consequence, the remaining ones had to contribute rupees 4 each extra. The number of those friends who attended the picnic is dash. The number of those friends who attended the picnic is dash. Okay, number of friends decided to go on the picnic. Do I know how many friends decided to go on this picnic? Right? Do I know any idea? Do I know any number? Any number has been given here, people? No. So let us take it as x. Okay, so I'll be solving this by two methods. I'm sorry there, right? Yes. So x is going to be 96, and they have told they plan to spend 96 rupees on eatables, right? X friends are going 96. 96 is the amount they are spending. Four of them, however, did not turn up, right? So four friends did not come. So this will be x minus 4 is equal to, which became, the burden became 4 rupees extra, right? So this became 96 plus 400. This became 96 plus 400. Yes or no? We'll use our work and this concept here. 96 and 100, what is going to be my LCM? What is going to be my LCM of 96 and 100? So if I take 4, 4 24s are, 4 25s are. Then again 4 6s are, right? 4 into 6 into 25, 2400. 4 into 6 into 25, 2400, right? So what is going to be the efficiency of X? How much these people spent? These people spent 2400. Yes or no? So this is 100. So this will be 25 and this will be 24. Okay, and they have told, right? And what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between these two? X and x minus 4. What is the difference? 25 to 24. What is the difference told by them? The difference told by them is how much? The difference told by them is 4 of them did not show, right? 4. And you can see x minus 4. Yes or no? X minus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 idhar chala jayega, right? So 4 plus 4, 8. Yes, that is what is our answer, right? How many people attended the picnic? How many people attended the picnic? 8 people attended the picnic. So how many people were there before? How many people were there before? 8 plus 4. How many people were there before? 12. How many people were there before? 12. तो इधर आपका दूसरा मेथड भी है, आप ऑप्शंस में देख सकते हो, right? Only one option gives you with the difference of 12, with the difference of 4, only one option gives you 96. Yes or no, right? 8 12s are 8 12s आपको 96 मिलता है. Yes or no? In the options also, if you see, there is only one option. There is only one option which gives you with the difference of 4 a amount of 96 rupees. right? 16 and 12 also the difference is 4, but 16 into 12 is not 96, right? 16 into 12 is not 96. 8 12s are 96. From that approach also you can see the people who attended the picnic is 8, the people who were there before the picnic is 12, right? You guys can also go with another approach. What is that? XY, right? X into Y, that is number of people into the eatables took, is equal to 96, right? So yes, 4 people did not show up. X minus 4, which increase the eatables by 4, y plus 4 is equal to what? Is equal to 96 again. Yes or no? ये दोनों साइड से 96 ही होगा ना बाबा, क्योंकि मैंने क्या किया in the previous question, what I have done in the previous question, what I have done people, x minus 4, so I have added it off, right? Here what that y plus 4 is there, that only I added it off, I made it 100, right? Yes, so solving this equation also will give you the value of x and y, which is nothing but 8 comma 12, right? 12 comma 8, initially it was 12 and finally it became 8. Let's go to the next question. Consider the following gold articles P, Q, R, S and T with the different weights. P weighs twice as much as Q. Q weighs 4.5 times as much as R. R weighs half as much as S. S weighs half as much as T. T weighs less than P but more than R. T will be lighter in weight than who? T will be lighter in weight than whom? P and S, P and R, P and Q, Q and R. Okay, so let us write down the ratios now. P weighs twice as much as Q, right? P weighs twice as much as Q. So I'm writing P is to Q here, right? So if Q is 1, P will be weighing twice, right? P will be weighing 2. Q weighs 4.5 times as much as R, right? So I'm writing Q is to R here, right? If R is 1, Q is going to be 4.5, right? Yes. R weighs half as much as S. R weighs half as much as S. So if S is weighing 2, R will be weighing half of it. R will be weighing half of it, 1. S weighs half as much as T. S is to T, I will write it down. S weighs half as much as T. S weighs half as much as T. So S is weighing half as much as T. So if T is weighing 2, S is weighing 1. Right? Am I getting P, Q, R, S, T here? They are telling T is weighing less than P but more than R. Yes, that is given. T will be lighter in weight. तो इधर हम अपना रेशियो वाला लॉजिक लगाएंगे. Just a minute. Why am I not able to draw a straight line? Right? Yes. So here P is to Q is to R is to S is to T. Okay, P is to R is to T. Right? P is to Q I know what is the value, 2 is to 1. Q is to R I know what is the value, 4.5 is to 1. Yes or no? Right? Then R is to S, what is the value, 1 is to 2. S is to T, what is the value, 1 is to 2. What I have told you people, this one we have done in our plus classes, right? जो भी आपका एक्सट्रीमेंट्स है वो जुड़ते जाओ. तो यह 1 है, right? 1 1 1, here also 1 1 1, here it is 2, put it as 2, here it is 4.5, so put it as 4.5, and here it is 1, here it is 1, here is also going to be 1 1 and 1. 2 into 4.5, so the value of P is going to be 9. Yes or no? 2 into 4.5, the value of Q is going to be 4.5, right? Yes, because it is 1 everywhere. The value of R is going to be 1, the value of S is going to be 2, the value of T is going to be 4, the value of T is going to be 4, right? So it is P is equal to 9, Q is equal to 4.5, R is equal to 1, S is equal to 2, T is equal to 4. T will be lighter in weight than whom? T is lighter, T is 4, and he will be lighter in weight than Q as well as P, right? P and Q, option C is the right answer, right? He will be lighter in weight than whom? P and Q. Option C is going to be the right answer. Okay, yes. Let us go to the next question. Consider the rectangle ABCD. Oh, I did not give you guys the rectangle figure, so I may have to draw it. Just wait a minute. I'll draw this figure here, right? Consider the rectangle ABCD with D is equal to 1 by 3 of DC in the figure, right? I will draw the figure here. Just wait a minute. It's going to be a rough figure, so please bear with me. Okay, yes. And this is what is the figure. Okay, this is what is the figure, and they have given this as A, this as D, this as E. Okay, this as E, right? Consider the triangle ABCD. So either AD है, right? तो ये A B C D, right? This is the rectangle. Consider the rectangle ABCD where D is actually 1 by 3rd of DC. D is actually 1 by 3rd of DC in the figure. When the area of the triangle ADE is 20 centimeter square, The area of the rectangle ABCD will be what? The area of the rectangle ABCD will be what? Okay, yes. So आप देख सकते हैं इधर, this is like this. So if I draw a perpendicular here also, what they have told, DE is 1 by third of DC. Yes or no? DE is 1 by third of DC. So I can make this three parts. Yes or no? This part DE, this part DE over here. Let me take a different color. Okay, this part DE over here. Okay, I took a very dark color. Yes, okay, yes, this part D over here, you guys can see this part is actually one part of the total third part, right? This is one, right? This is 1 by third of DC, right? Ye ho gaya. And they have given what? The area of this triangle is 20 centimeter square, right? The area of this triangle is going to be 20 centimeter square. You know, these two are parallel triangles. Agar ye 20 hai to ye bhi 20 hoga, right? Ye 20 hai to ye bhi 20. So what is total bar here? Total is 40. So this is 1 by third, no, right? This one part is also equal to this one part 40, this one part 40. Yes or no? So I'm getting total how much here? I'm getting total of 120. 120 is the total length of DC, in the DE is 1 by third of DC, right? Now let us take the triangle ADE. What is ADE, people? It is half into base. What is my base? My base, can I take my base as x here, and this will be 2x? Yes or no? This is x and this will be 2x. So half into x into height. AD is already given as 20, right? So 20 is equal to half xh. So here I can write down the value of xh as 40 centimeter square. The value of xh will be 40 centimeter square. Now they are asking you the rectangle ABCD, right? The rectangle ABCD. Rectangle hota kya hai, Baba? What is basically rectangle? Tell me. What is basically rectangle? It is length into breadth. Yes or no? So this is going to be the height. Yes or no? This is going to be the height. Okay? And this is going to be the length. What will be the length, people? The length is basically 3x. Right? So triangle ABCD is equal to, right, 3x length into breadth. Breadth is h, right? So this goes to be 3xh, right, which is nothing but 3 into 40, as xh we just found it out now. So this goes to be 120 centimeter square. This goes to be option D, 120 centimeter square. This goes to be option D, 120 centimeter square. Let's go to the next question. 4 metal rods of length 78 centimeter, 104 centimeter, 117 centimeter and 169 centimeter are to be cut into parts of equal length. Each part must be as long as possible. The maximum number of pieces that can be cut will be dash. Okay, जब भी आपको ये word मिलता है, okay, this is going to be a keyword, people. Whenever you guys are getting like this equal length, that means what? You have to find out the HCF, right? जब भी equal length मिलता है, same length मिलता है, equal length, so something is equal between them. What is that equal factor? What is that equal highest factor? That is HCF, right? HCF. LCM मतलब सब कुछ multiply कर देंगे. HCF मतलब equal factor निकालेंगे. So let us write down the numbers here. So this is 78. This is 104, this is 117, this is 169. Okay, so 78. So what is 78, people? This is 13 6. What is 104, people? 104 is 13 8, right? 104 is 13 8. What is 117? 117 is 13 9, and 169 is 13 13. What is going to be my HCF here? What is the common factor I can get? 13 is the common factor I am getting. Yes or no, people? 13 is the common factor. So my HCF is going to be what? My HCF is going to be 13, right? They are cut by equal lengths. Matlab all these lengths, all this centimeter is cut by 13. All this centimeter is cut by 13. So 17 is going to be 6. 104 is going to be 8. 117 is going to be 9. And this is going to be 13, right? So 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 13 is 27. 27 plus 9. 27 plus 9, 36. Okay. So how many times they are cut? That is what they are asking. So you can see 13 is the LCM. 13 is cut 6 times. Equal length, no? So add 6 here. 78 6. 104 8. 179 and 169, 13. Add all this, 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 13. 36 is the right answer, which is your option B. 36 is the right answer, which is your option B. Let's go to the next question. A clock strikes once at 1 o'clock, twice at 2 o'clock, thrice at 3 o'clock, and so on. The number of times it strikes in 24 hours will be dash. The number of times it strikes in 24 hours will be dash. Okay, yes. So it is striking 1 at 1 o'clock, 2 at 2 o'clock, 3 at 3 o'clock, right? Yes or no? It is just a summation, right? Summation होता क्या है? Summation is n into n plus 1 by 2. But wait a minute, right? तो 24 hours पूछा है, तो 12 o'clock पर 12 होगा, and the same sequence gets repeated, right? This same sequence get repeated, right? So it is n into n plus 1 into 2, right? This is n into n plus 1 into 2. So I can scratch off the 2 here, and I am taking my n as what? I'm taking my n as 12, because they are giving 1 at 1 o'clock, 2 at 2 o'clock. So again, when it is 13 o'clock, that is actually according to your 24 hours time, it is 13 o'clock, 14 o'clock, 15 o'clock, which is nothing but 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So no, right? So my n is 12. So this is going to be 12 into 12 plus 1, right? So this is 12 into 13. What is 2 3s are 6? Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 3 5, 1 as it is. Okay, option C 156 is the right answer. Option C 156 is the right answer. If you guys want, you can go with the another approach also. What is that another approach? 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus SA till 12. This also will give you the same result, 156. अगर आप ऐसे ये करते जाओगे, right, like this 1 to 10, 1 to 10, if you start calculating that also, so this is going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, 11 and 12. How much this is going to be? This summation, ये कितना होगा? This summation is going to be, right, this summation is going to be 78. This summation is going to be 78. Yes or no? Right? 5, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, 55, 55 plus 11, 66, 66 plus 12, 78. Right? ये तो 12 है. 24 मतलब 78 into 2. So this is also, you're getting it as 156 only from all the methods. Right? This method, summation method, or the normal method, everywhere, right, the number of times the clock strikes will be 156. The number of times the clock strikes will be 156. The next question. The sum of all the natural numbers between 1 and 101 which are divisible by 5 is dash. The sum of all natural numbers between 1 and 101 which are divisible by 5 is dash. Okay. So between they have asked, right? Between matlab how many numbers we are getting? 5 and 100. Yes or no? So if I take 5, okay, if I take 5, okay, 5 divided by 5 is going to be 1, and 100 divided by 5 is going to be 20. Okay, so what we are doing, 20 plus 21 bar 2, as this is what they have asked, summation पूछा है. Summation का मतलब होता है n into n plus 1 bar 2, but they are divisible by 5, right? तो into कितना करना पड़ेगा मुझे बाबा, right? How much should I into here? Into 5. Okay, yes, so sorry, this is not 20 plus 21. Okay, sorry, there 20 into 21. Okay, 20 into 21, right? 20, 21 is there, so it is 20 and into 21 into 5. Okay, 2 into 5. So how much I am getting here? 20 into 21 into 5. So let me take it as it is, 20, 21, 5 bar 2. 2 ones are 2, 10s are 10 5s are 500, 10 5s are 50, sorry, 50 into 21. 52s are 10. Okay, right? 50, 1050, right? Option B is the right answer. Okay, option B is the right answer. Just summation karna. Option B is the right answer. Okay, fatak se 3 more questions, we'll do it off. In a group of 1000 people, 750 speak Hindi and 400 speak English. The number of only Hindi speaking people is dash. The number of only Hindi speaking people is dash. Okay, yes. In a group of how many people are there, right? So this is very simple. You have to take total is equal to Hindi plus English minus both. Yes or no? Total is equal to Hindi plus English minus both. Total 1000 is equal to what? How many are speaking Hindi? 750 plus English how many? 400 minus both. So both will be how many? Right? 750 plus 400 1150, right? तो both का value क्या आएगा बाबा? Both का value आ जाएगा 150, right? Let us draw circles now, right? Hindi, English. Okay, sorry for the English circle, right? So this is Hindi, this is English. Okay, so both what is there? 150, right? Yes. So 150 minus 750, 600. 150 minus 750, 600. 150 minus 400, 150 minus 400, 250. So you can see this is going to be 1000 itself, right? This is going to be 1000 itself, right? They are asking number of only Hindi speaking people. They are asking number of only Hindi speaking people. This ratio is what there. This ratio. This is the only Hindi speaking people, right? यहाँ जो है मेरा ओनली हिंदी स्पीकिंग मिलेगा, राइट? यहाँ जो है ओनली हिंदी स्पीकिंग मिलेगा. कितना है बाबा, राइट? हाउ मच इज इट? इट इज 600. ऑप्शन सी. इट इज 600. ऑप्शन सी. The next question. Consider the following students in an examination. A scored more than B, C scored as much as D, E scored less than F, B scored more than C, F scored less than D. Who scored the lowest? Who scored the lowest? किसने बहुत कम मार्क्स लिया इधर? E, C, D, F, right? So A scored more than B, right? So A is greater than B. C scored as much as D. C is equal to D. E scored less than F, so F is greater than E. Okay, F is greater than E. B scored more than C, so B is greater than C. F scored less than D, so D is greater than F, right? I've took everything in the terms of greater than only, because here you are having lesser than lesser than. I don't want to confuse you, right? ये lesser than greater than से confuse हो जाता है. तो हर कई एक ही में ले लो, ठीक है? So if you're taking greater, so make sure अगर E scored less than F है, that means F scored greater than E हो जाएगा. F scored less than D, that means D scored greater than F हो जाएगा, right? Make it all greater than. तो यहाँ मैं देख सकता हूँ A is the greater person, next B आएगा, तो B is greater than C आ जाएगा, C is equal to D है, D is greater than F है, और F is greater than E है, right? Yes, that is what I am getting from all the quarters here, right? Yes or no, people? That is what I am getting from all the quarters. ठीक है? That is what I am getting from all the quarters. They are asking who scored the less, right? Who scored the least marks is what they are asking. Lowest. Lowest कौन है इधर? Lowest कौन है? Lowest is E, right? Who scored the lowest? Lowest is E, option A, right? Who scored the lowest? Lowest is E, option A. Let's go to the last question of the class. So I'll meet you guys again in the tomorrow's session, where I'll be taking 2019 PYQs, right? I'll be taking 2019 PYQs. So let us study this question. A bag contains 4 white and 2 black balls, and another bag contains 3 of each color. A bag is selected at random and a ball is drawn at random from the bag chosen. The probability of the white ball drawn is dash. The probability of the white ball drawn is dash. ठीक है, कितने बैग है मेरे पास? मेरे पास 2 बैग है. Let's do this by our tree method, right? So this is bag 1, this is bag 2. ठीक है, तो how many? So bag 1 contains what? Bag 1 contains 4 white, 2 black balls. Bag 2 contains 3 of each color. That means 3 white and 3 black balls. A bag is selected at random. I do not know which bag is selecting, and a single ball is drawn, right? And a single ball is drawn, right? So how many colors are there, people? Right? How many colors are there? There are 2 colors. Out of these two colors, I need white, right? Out of these 2 colors, I need white, right? So this will become 1 out of 2 colors into, right? How many total is there in the bag? How many total is there in the bag? 6 is there in the bag, right? There are 6 balls in the bag, out of which white are 4, right? Out of which white are 4. So this is what? This goes to be 2 6 are 12. So this is 4 by 12. Okay, or else I can also write it as 1 bar 3, right? 4 by 12 also I can write it as 1 bar 3. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ भी सेम है, एक कलर मेरे को निकालना है. So 1 by 2. How many white are there, right? Just focus on white, because you have to find the probability of white ball. You have to focus on the probability of white ball, right? 3 whites are there. How many colors are there total? 6. And this is going to be 3 bar 12, which is nothing but 1 bar 4. Now add both these because he's asking probability of white ball drawn. I do not know which bag I am selecting. So it might be the second bag, it might be the first bag. So addition of both the probabilities. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. 3 and 4, the LCM is 12. And this is going to be 4 plus 3, right? Which is nothing but 7 bar 12, right? Which is nothing but 7 bar 12, option D. Okay, yes. तो दो बैग है मेरे पास. So first see the colors first. Okay, तो कलर क्या है पहले डिसाइड करेंगे हम, ठीक है. बाद में हमें कौन सा कलर चाहिए, हमें चाहिए व्हाइट कलर. यस और नो, आई नीड व्हाइट कलर. तो कितना व्हाइट कलर है मेरे पास, 4/6. कितना व्हाइट कलर है मेरे पास, 3/6. So you'll get this. Then they have told I am selecting a probability. I am selecting a bag at random. Which bag I am selecting? I do not know. So add both the bags. Add the probability of both the bags. It is going to be 7 bar 12. Add the probability of both the bags. It is going to be 7 bar 12. Okay. Yes. So that's it with the session today, guys. So I will see you all tomorrow in the same time, right? So tomorrow, that is Thursday, which is the 10th of June. I will see you people again in the same time, 11 p.m. with the PYQs of Quantitative Aptitude Part 3, right? With the PYQs of Quantitative Aptitude Part 3. So have a brighter night, a brighter evening next. Okay, please do stay safe, please do stay happy, please do stay indoors, please do take care of your family. I hope all of you are in strong health. Okay, so thanks a lot. I will see you guys in the next class. Thank you so much. Take care. Tata. Bye bye.